In this video, I'm going to show you how to create slide deck with NotebookLM. So as usual, accessing NotebookLM, you have to come to notebooklm.google.com. Once you're here, you can go ahead and log into your account. You can go ahead and create new source or notebook, and then you can add your sources directly, either from search, from file upload, from videos on websites, and then from copy text or your drive. You add them, you should be able to start chatting with them, or you can use the studio area over here. So let's say I have added some sources and I have done some little search about them, and then I want to create a slide deck or presentation out of this. So you can go ahead, come to the studio section, click on this arrow, and you can define the type of slide that you want to create. So you can have detailed deck or you can have presenter deck. Okay, you can see the definition of each one of them. So let's say I want presenter deck, and then specify the language. You can specify the length, default or short, and then describe the slide deck you want to create. You can use this area to define the direction that you want to create, or you can give it a little bit with default and just go ahead and click on generate like I'm just doing right now. This feature is going to give you a complete slide that you can work with. And as you can see right now, slides have been created. So you can just click to open them. As you. So you can see you can move from slide to slide, slide to slide, and then you can see the beauty of the graphics involved. Now, the best part of this is that you can download. You can download it in PDF or in PPTX and continue with your editing afterward. You can share as well if you're interested in sharing. You can copy the link and share with people. And another thing is that you can revise any of the slides by just coming to that slide and say, make it one graph, for example, and then you can go to another slide, use chart example, and you'll be able to see the number of slides that you have pending editings over here, right? So you can be able to see, move around, change the color, right? And you can do many other things. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and regenerate these slides, and it's going to give you an updated slide based on information that you have provided. So this is how to create slide deck in NotebookLM. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.